Okay, your friends are coming over. The pressure is on. Do you order a mountain of takeout boxes? Or do you become the culinary hero who made a mountain of food themselves? Spoiler, we're choosing hero today. I'm showing you my ultimate foolproof giant wok of beef chow. I mean, that's not just a meal. It's the centerpiece of your dinner party. It's all about that classic restaurant sequence for perfect texture. And yes, it's actually better than takeout. Let's get walking. First, our star, the beef. We're given flank steak, the VIP treatment, with a powerful marinade. Soy, oyster sauce, a splash of Shaoxing wine, and my little secret for tenderness, a pinch of baking soda. Let that hang out for 20 minutes. Now, the golden rule of a great stir-fry: don't crowd the wok. We're searing that beef in batches over screaming high heat. We want color, not steam. Just 2 to 3 minutes, then out it goes. See that beautiful fond? That's flavor gold. We're using it next for our onions and cabbage. We're not just cooking them. We're giving them a chance to wilt and get those beautiful, slightly charred edges. Out they go. Now, for the magic glue, the sauce. This is where the deep, savory, glossy goodness comes from. We're combining not one, but 2 types of soy sauce, more oyster sauce, hoisin for a hint of sweet and broth. Whisk it up and set it aside. Back to the now empty wok. A little more oil, then the aromatics, garlic and green onions. The sizzle is the sound of happiness. Then the noodles. The key here? Let them sit. Don't stir right away. We want some of those noodles to get crispy and browned from the wok's heat. That's the wok-kissed magic. And now, the grand finale. Everything comes back to the party: the beef, the veggies, the noodles. Pour that sauce over the top and immediately add your cornstarch slurry. Now stir-fry like your dinner party depends on it. Watch as the sauce thickens and coats every single strand and slice in under 3 minutes. Final drizzle of sesame oil. And behold, the ultimate dinner party showstopper. Tender beef, crunchy veggies, flavorful noodles, all in one massive pan. This holds warm perfectly, so you can actually enjoy your own party. So, are you ready to be the hero? Hit that like button if you're saving this recipe for your next gathering, and tell me in the comments, who are you going to impress with this giant wok of joy?